Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha. This is the Budget Mum UK, and today's video I am closing down my last week of spendings, seeing where money went, seeing how many no spend days I had, which was a few because I had no money and because I've just been working loads and loads. We've been potty training at Alexander, so that's been great, but it means that I've been going nowhere because I'm like, we're staying by the toilet. Too much information, possibly, but it's worked. We've sorted it. So yeah, that's been my fun week. Too much information, definitely. Right, let's have a look where I've been spending. Let's see what money I've got left over for my penny saving challenge, and we'll get stuck into this. Right, let's get stuck in and see what I have spent or not spent for this week. And I'm hoping I've got enough stickers here. These are just some extra surplus ones that I've used. We're going to run it up to today, which is Tuesday the 14th of February. So happy Valentine's Day to you. I'm not sure when you're going to get this because it's taking me a while at the moment to edit, but let's see. The 8th was a no spend day. That one. And then we had a couple more no spend days, one after the other, because we're in work. Always good when we're in work. It means I can keep out of mischief. And that's the way it goes. Friday I work from home. Another no spend day. And then on the 11th, Alexander's been potty training. I got some stuff off the Facebook Marketplace a couple of weeks ago, which is like the portable potty, and one of those ones that looks like a toilet, which I was like, I thought they were amazing. But it's currently, I've got a toilet effectively in my front room. But yeah, it's just cracked it. It's cracked it. It's so we didn't want to go very far, and I was just like, no, let's get on with this. And he was loving it, and I think it was sorted because actually today he's been out with my mum and dad on the train with just his big boy pants on, so he's been made up, and he thinks it's great. So that's why we've not gone far, and it just took a little bit of, I think maybe like 4 or 5 days. But he went to nursery earlier on in the week. The first day he had a couple of accidents, but no, it's been great. So I'm hoping that's going to save me even more money going forward on the old nappies, because we do use the reusable nappies, so that saves money anyway. But yeah, so it's a progress, but also my baby's not my baby anymore, so I don't like that bit. On Sunday, I got taken out for my my tea. My mum and dad took me out to the local Indian. They had a really good set menu on. I think it was £12.90, and you get a starter, poppadoms, main course, and a side. It was £7.90, and I wouldn't normally order Alexander a meal, but he's eating loads as well at the moment. So he actually got it, and he probably ate more than Holly did, which was great. And then we went for a couple of drinks at the local Wetherspoons, so that was quite nice, but it was effectively not a spend for me, but it meant I got a treat anyway. But I did buy some groceries, and this was my big grocery spend. £1.63 for the whole week, effectively, because I'm just living this week off my cupboards, my freezer, whatever I've got left in my fridge, and we're just doing that. Bread and milk, effectively. What can you do? And yeah, so I'm quite happy with that. I did have another effective grocery spend, but it came out of groceries, but it was actually 2 Valentine's Day cards at 25p each, for Holly and Alexander, 25p. And I know, you know, it's one of those, but 25p, come on. You can do it. They don't know it's 25p, and Holly was made up, so yay. Then on the Monday, I actually had a bit of a spend out of Alexander's wallet, because I've got quite a bit now. I checked when I did my cash stuffing the other day, and I took him, and I really needed to get some work done as well, so I took him to like a local wacky warehouse, and they had a toddler session on, and it's shot up since I took Holly, but it was £4.50 for that. And it was probably the best £4.50 I spent. It's supposed to have an hour and a half there, but I bet we were there 2 hours 15, 2.5 hours. And then when we were leaving, they gave him like a free, like really big fruit shoot thing, because it had the Christmas design on the front. We were obviously getting rid of them, and he just loved it. And I actually got work done. I got work done, because normally, in the past, he's sort of like been, you know, come and do this, we come and do that, but I think we've done that many of them. He can do it now, and he loved doing it, and he keeps asking when he's going again. He just calls it the slide place. So I might look at doing that again because I keep putting money in his envelope and Holly takes hers to spend. So, you know, definitely if I've got something to do. And I actually then took him to like this little Smith's thing we actually went to the Pets at Home and that was near the Smiths. So he wanted to have a look and I did let him spend some money in that and he spent £5.98 on these ball things that a Toy Story one and it was supposed to be Peppa Pig but it had a giraffe in it. I don't know. So that was also Alex as well. But that was his money and you know, that's it because he doesn't have a lot of money spent on him and so can't begrudge the child. Oh, and then we had Tuesday today, which was another no spend effective day. He also thinks it's his birthday today, Alexander, because he got a birthday card, which was actually the Valentine's Day card, but because we've been talking about his birthday coming up quite a bit, any sort of thing that could potentially be linked, it's my birthday, so hope he's not too disappointed with the lack of presents. Oh, right, well, let's have a look then what change I've got and what I'm going to do with that. So, oops, this up. He's still got 40 quid in there, so he's doing okay. He's doing all right. Don't need petrol yet, I'm doing all right. And it's just the groceries one. I'm just going to take the change. I will keep the £5 in there. Keep £5 in. And then I'll reassess. What I might do is a cupboard stocking type thing because I've really sort of drained down my larder, if you call it a larder or whatever you call it. Let's see what's left for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 39, £7.39. So, oh, I've got £3.39, so that could work. 7.9 take, so that'll leave me with 4. Let's get that in the jar. So, what does that leave? I've got 338, so 4, take 338, 62p, and 62p still going. So let's do those two. I do feel like I've been doing this for ages, but chipping away. And that is it. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. I was going to say to the end of the envelope. I haven't got an envelope. What am I talking about? It's because I'm talking about my Sims envelopes. It's been a week. Hope you're having an amazing day. And I will see you really soon in my next video where hopefully, my budget will have sorted itself out. And we're in a good place. We'll be in a good place. See you soon. Bye.